Welcome back, it's Kasper from the Chatbot team, and today we are going to learn more about the testing tool. Testing tool is a powerful feature that allows you to instantly check how the conversation will look like from the customer perspective without having to implement the bot on your website. We've already used it in the previous lessons, but now we will discuss all of its features in detail. Before we get started, make sure that your story is published and all of the changes we made in the previous lessons are saved. So let's click on the publish button at the top right corner and click confirm. Great. So as you already know, you can open the testing tool by clicking on the test your bot button at the top of the story view. It will instantly start the conversation with your bot, and on the right side you will see the widget with all the responses we've already configured. And on the left side you can notice that the whole conversation flow is highlighted by the blue line, followed by the pulsating dot, indicating the exact part of the story in which we are currently in. So when I select some options from the response, you can see that the blue line will follow the path that the bot takes in the flow. This helps us to understand how the bot follows the flow and which part of the story we already visited. Okay, so when you click on the three dots at the top right corner of the testing tool, you will see four available options. For example, you can disable the option that follows the steps on the tree, or disable the typing indicator to speed up the whole testing process. Please note that this will affect the chats in the testing tool only, so your customer won't notice anything. Besides that, you can also reset the conversation completely, and also you can enable the debug mode. And let's focus on this one now. The debug mode is a special chat mode in which you can see what exactly happens in the background during the conversation with the bot. This includes actions that won't be visible for the regular chat. So let's click on that option to enable the debug mode. Okay, so the debug mode has been enabled. So let's restart the chat and select one of the available options to see what changed. Okay, and you can instantly notice that we can see new messages with the debug message badge at the top right corner of them. Those debug messages show each step that our bot takes to provide our customers with a specific response. So as you can see, we have a step that triggered the bot response. We have the action that triggered the start point. So maybe let's start the chat from the question to see what happens when we start in this specific action. Okay, so as you can see, the question message has been triggered. So let's answer the questions. Okay, and we have something more than before. So we can see that the conversation was redirected to the success branch instead of the failure. And we also can see that the user has been successfully added to the rare plants segment. So that's something that the customer won't see. The customer will see this message only. But when you are in the debug mode, you can always see if everything goes well, if something has to be changed during the conversation. So the debug mode is a really helpful tool for the development process of your bot. So I think that that's all for today's lesson, and we will see you in the next one.